Hi guys, Andrew at Impress Computers here. Today I wanted to go over a gaming PC that we have fresh in the business. I wanted to bring up a couple different details real quick. First of all, you not only have your RTX, the PNY model 3070 is in there. You have 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM. You have that on top of an Asus Tough motherboard. That's going to be a wireless motherboard. We have that powered by the 700 watt Thermaltake power supply. You've got a 1 terabyte Western Digital Black Gaming M.2 drive in there. Don't forget the EVGA 120mm coolant system. That's going to be inside of a mid-tower NZXT case. That's going to be brought to you at a high price of about $25.79. You also get a free gaming mouse and keyboard with that whenever you come in for that bundle. Give us a call anytime. Check out our website at impresscomputers.com, 281-647-9977.